Hi, I'm Roger with Minuteman Heating and Air. If I replace the outside unit, do I need to replace the inside unit? You'll most likely want to replace both units of your HVAC system if one or the other fails. Replacing both at the same time definitely has its advantages. A matched system is made to work together to achieve its max performance. An unmatched system may have different levels of design advances, causing a loss in efficiency. When replacing both units, you'll get a brand new warranty that covers the entire system for the same length of time. If you have specific questions about replacement, reach out to Minuteman Heating and Air. If you found this video helpful, please like, tag, or share. We would appreciate it.